Hello there, fellow collectors, Samaram here. Today we are going to take a look at my two favorite characters from the Dragon Ball Z. Super Saiyan God, Super Saiyan Gogeta, and Super Saiyan Broly Full Power from SH Figuarts, the Machinations. So before we get started, we will take a quick look at their boxes. Here's Gogeta. Gogeta has yellow background, actual image of the figure at the front, blue Bandai logo, the Machination is here, Dragon Ball Super here, and silver logo in here. Okay, the Machinations quality seal underneath the left side. Super Saiyan God, Super Saiyan Gogeta. Bottom part, right side, top side, and the back. Okay, so that's Gogeta. Up next is Broly. Broly has purple background, also has an actual image in front, blue Bandai logo, the new one, the Machinations, Dragon Ball Z, but this time it has a gold sticker here. Okay, same as the Gogeta, it has the Machinations quality seal underneath. The sides, Super Saiyan Broly's full power. The back side, the right side, the top, and the bottom part. Okay, so let's open Gogeta. Gogeta has instruction manual. Okay. This is the actual figure. The heads. The arms. Sit like right here. Next, let's unbox Broly. So same with Gogeta, Broly has a manual, let's take the actual figure, place it over here. His accessories here. Okay, so Broly has 2, 4, 6 accessories, while Gogeta has 2, 4, 6, 8, and 9. Gogeta has 3 interchangeable heads, 1 black normal head, Smirking 1. One blue head, smirking blue head, and one blue screaming head. Okay, has two open palms, two hands like this, and two Kamehameha hands. Broly comes with two open hands, two semi-open hands, one screaming face, and one grinning one. Okay, so for articulation, Gogeta's head can move like this, has a butterfly joints, okay, arm swivel, double jointed elbow, okay, waist articulation, up crunch, can kick like here, that, okay, double jointed knee, ankle pivot, and toe hinge. Okay, it's got a metallic hair, yellow here, grayish black vest, blue sash or belt, dirty white pants, blue garment here, and grayish black shoes. Okay, has a wristband colored in grayish black as well. So that's Gogeta. Next, this is Broly. For articulation, Broly's head can move like this. Okay, neck like this. Also has butterfly joints, arm swivel, double jointed elbow, ball jointed hands. Okay, articulated garment here, can spread like this, kick like this. Okay, double jointed knee, toe hinge, and ankle pivot. Okay, Broly has scars here at his left chest, left shoulder, left abs. Okay, he's wearing his friend's left ear. I believe it's Ra or Ba. I'm not sure. Okay, has purple pants, grayish black arm guards, okay, white shoes, blue green toes, and that's it. So that's Broly. So that's all for today. Like and subscribe as always. Samram signing off. Peace.